Breathing is good. Always a good idea to take that nice, big deep breath. Reminds us to soften, be movable, let things be a little bit easier, even the hard things. All right, so I have a nice yoga for gardeners practice for us today. And I'm so excited. Let's just get right into it so I don't chat too much without the yoga. Cruising back here. So we're here in Illinois for a little bit, and I've been outside pulling weeds and checking on the wildflowers, these kind of things. And I'm thinking, oh, I can do this a lot better. I can do this in a nice, moving well way, nice connected way, which is so much of the reason that so many of us garden. We want to, of course, have beautiful flowers and vegetables to enjoy, but we also want that serenity and that harmony that comes from the process of gardening too. So this is a little qigong arms here. Just wiggle your arms. And at the same time, get this 2-for-1 special, a little shift and step, shift and step. You can stop wiggling your arms whenever you like, of course. Maybe hands to your center or hands just down, arms down. And this walking here is really nice. We can get in harmony with ourselves and our environment here. So shifting and stepping, shifting and stepping, getting your breath and body moving together, crawling down to the ground here. And this is the position that really got me thinking, oh yeah, this is yoga too. This can be a nice movement too. So from here I was pulling weeds and thinking, oh, this is a nice moment to do a little easy everywhere cat-cow. So a little shift one way, a little shift the other way. Also, if you've been gardening, you're probably going to have a little bit of soreness from all the movement here. It can be quite a workout, which is nice, right? It's one of those sneaky workouts where you're doing something productive and seeing results and enjoying the fresh air, hopefully fresh air where you are, and getting a little bit of muscle soreness in there. Whole everything just working together here. Hang out in those places that feel a little stuck, feel a little tight. And eventually bring yourself forward, scoot your knees back, and sink on down toward the ground. This nice up dog. Make it rolly here. A little shift, side to side. Maybe real high if it's a good big stretch for you. If that's too much, don't force it. Come on down here. A little bit lower, or a lot lower there. Easy. Draw your shoulders down your back. Open up a bit. And keeping your knees on the ground, shift up and back, tuck your toes from your center, lift up. Nice down dog here, and put an easy bend in your knees. Move a little one way. Nice big stretch there for the whole back of you, and move a little the other way from your center. Eventually, let that rock get a little quieter until you land on your center here, just like those plants being movable, swaying in the breeze. When the breeze stops, you find that center. And roll on out toward this plank pose, nice long wave here. So feeling the strength you have to hold yourself up. Just always think that's so awesome. Look how strong you are. You have this ability. A little rock side to side, forward and back. Let's go a little side to side here. Rock left and roll right. Big, easy stretch. Open everything up. And all the way back here toward your middle, other side. Lift and roll. Stretch open. And all the way back here toward your middle. Soften your knees down gently here. Sink on down here. Maybe real high. Maybe there's a little bit more space this time. Or a little bit lower, or a lot lower there. Easy. Draw your shoulders down your back. Open up a bit. And keeping your knees on the ground. Shift up and back onto all fours here. Move a little side to side so you can find that good stable place. Let's get into your back and shoulders here a little bit more. Lean right, slide your left arm whoosh on under there. Find a good spot for that back to relax. Maybe your other arm just goes forward, or tucking your toes and kind of rolling around here. Breathing big. And then eventually coming all the way back around here on the other side. Lean left, slide your right arm whoosh on under. Find a good spot. Rolling around a bit here, easy. How good is that? And coming all the way back toward your center. Tuck your toes, lift up and back. Down dog here. Let's keep flowing a little bit. Crawl up toward the top of your space here. Shift and crawl and up here. Hang over. Relax. Roll everything up one step at a time. Crawl up yourself. Big inhale. Stretch up. Exhale. All the way up and over. Crawl back down here. Lean right. Slide your left leg way back here. Nice low lunge. Walk your hands back. Sink low. Soften your back knee down. See what's going on here. A little rock side to side to find your center. Tuck your back toes. Keep this back knee on the ground. Shift up and back toward your runner stretch. Lean left and lean right as you go. So the whole back of you gets this nice chance to release and relax. And it might feel nice to pinch your fingers and squeeze your pinky toenail there. Little heart meridian. Also might just help the whole back of that leg and your hips and back and head and neck and shoulders in a big circle. Just relax. And crawl back out for that low lunge. Tuck your back toes, lift up, walk your hands back, drop over your legs, easy. A little bend in your knees. Lean back a little bit, look forward, crawl yourself forward so that back foot slides up and hang over. Relax, roll everything up towards standing. Big inhale, reach up. A nice endless flow up and over. Crawl back down, lean left, slide that right leg way back. Everything moving together in harmony. Soften that back knee down. Take your weight into your arms so other parts of you can release and relax. You need to support yourself to feel safe enough to release and relax. I want to force ourselves into some flexibility. Demands. Tuck your back toes, keeping this back knee on the ground. Shift up and back toward your runner stretch. Lean a little right and lean a little left as you go. Pause anywhere along the way, maybe nice and long or up and over. A gentle twist around. You can take those, pinch your fingers again. Just gently squeeze, one continuous squeeze. That pinky toenail. Just see what happens. If it's like not a big reaction, just do something else. Forget about it here. And crawl back out toward that low lunge. Tuck your back toes, lift up, walk your hands back here, drop over your legs. Same little bend in your knees. You've got to have room to move for anything to move, anything to happen. Give yourself space here. Lean back a little bit, look forward, crawl yourself forward so that back leg slides up and hang over. Roll everything up towards standing here. Big inhale, reach up tall. Exhale, all the way up and over. Crawl back down. Walk your hands forward. Walk your feet back so there's no drama for your knees. Come on down for a nice squat. Maybe just dropping over through your middle. There's a nice one there. Eventually come on down. Bring your hands back behind you. Let's do a nice one for our back here. Your back. Crawl on down. Carry your knees with you for the ride there. Grab your knees. I just love this one. Your legs fall away from you. May give your legs a little kick there, a little kind of poolside kick, little flutter. And just breathe. Hopefully that feels nice on your back, top of your head all the way down through your tailbone, and eventually roll on up toward a nice seat here. Find a place to sit that's actually comfortable. Doesn't need to be cross-legged. Can be on your hips, your heels. From a nice, comfortable place, more can happen. So it's really good to get picky about being comfortable, being in a good position. Being comfortable is really the same thing as being in alignment here. Being in a good, workable position. Not the kind of just doing nothing, lazing on the couch, comfortable, but comfortable in a way where everything can work from here. And then doing stuff becomes invigorating and exciting and not a big chore. And just notice how you feel. Take a big inhale, reach up. Bring your palms together, plug on in here. Connect thumbs to your heartbeat or hands to your center, just down. Take a big inhale. Long exhale. Easy. Awesome. Thanks so much for practicing here with me, with yourself, with everyone in our incredible community. We do these things, we feel better, then we move around the world better, and just goodness is possible, which is pretty cool. So thanks so much for being here. Feel free to leave a comment with how you're feeling, any big ideas, this inspired for you, any thoughts, anything at all. We love hearing from you, but of course, no pressure. Most important is that you practice and take really good care of yourself. So thanks for doing this with me. So grateful to practice with you. Have a wonderful day and see you soon.